Oh, roach. Yuck. Something. Ugh. Just have to be very careful because you don't want to break them. That's what I have so far. Oh, see, they break really easy. So easy. And there's another one over here. It breaks so easy, guys. Oh, it's deep. It's a long one. That's what I found with these white potatoes. They grow long like, oh, I broke it. Did you hear that? I don't know if you heard that. But like I mentioned, I mentioned it in a different video, is you can start harvesting in the fall. But I want to start growing greens. And I have a whole huge bed on the other side, so just broke that. Beautiful. Look at that. So wonderful. These are really delicious too. I mean, they're not super sweet. They're not super duper sweet. So they make good potatoes like for dinner as a side. The soil feels good. It's not that tight, you know, it's pretty loose for the most part. And when you're gonna do this, it's best not to water your plants for obvious reasons, right? You don't want a muddy mess. I don't know how deep. Oh, I still feel roots pretty deep in there. I don't know about this little egg. I'll put it over here on this corner. See all these roots in here? These are going to produce next year. I don't even have to plant them again. So wherever you plant your sweet potatoes, it's pretty much where they're going to grow every year. The only thing I do have to be careful is that I've got those huge pepper plants there, so you don't want to uproot those. I should be wearing gloves, guys. It's better to wear gloves when you're doing this because you don't want any bacteria or anything to go in your nail. This dirt over here feels pretty tight, so I'm guessing, oh, where is there? There's a pretty deep root there. I'm not sure. It's gonna be quite a bit of work. It feels like there's some big ones under here. I'm kind of freaking out now that my nails are like really in this dirt. Feel all the roots under there. Oh, okay, maybe they didn't produce that well. Okay, I feel, there you go. There's another one. Oh, I feel another one here. Ooh, this is a good sized one, I feel. I'm telling you, it's a workout. Especially when you're crouched over. I should grab a chair. Probably be better. Oh, this one went deep, downward. Ooh. You know what I'm not finding in here? Some of my beds do have them, but haven't seen that one earthworm. Wow, that's a big one. See that? Ooh-wee. I really don't want to break it. As long as the spider doesn't pop up. I'm terrified of spiders. Oh gosh, there's another one there. There's a cluster of them in there. Okay, I think I am going to close out this this video so I can concentrate on getting that one out. I'll see you guys next time.